Today's topic is NSAID's classification. Here I used one simple, creative, imaginative method. You have to imagine here, and it's depend upon your imagination, how much vivid you can imagine. On the basis of that, you can remember the classification of NSAIDs. Now, the thing is that here I haven't covered the examples. I have covered the chemical basis classification of NSAIDs. So, thing is like this. What you have to imagine, uh, you have to imagine that you are sailing, means traveling through ship. Late, somewhat late it is. You are sailing late, means it is related with salicylate. For what? For picnic, for picnic. So propionic acid. Okay, so you travel for picnic. It is late somewhat. Then you go on to the picnic and you played their card. In the card there is S, and the card S was ticked, means it was ticked. So it is acetic acid. Okay, you played the card which was S and it was ticked, so acetic acid. Then somebody of your group said that they have some problem, gases, stomach problem, and therefore you gave to that person and he leaked that that powder, he leaked, and actually he was doing some scam, means to win that game he was doing something. So now you see this enolic, means enolic acid derivatives, which is also known as oxycams. So scam, he was doing scam, means oxycam. Actually he was leaking means enolic acid. Then, seeing that all the things, you took pen and mic and made announcement. So pen and mic means here is silent. So pen, so fen actually it is phenamic acid. Mic phenamic acid. What you announced that we have to go to zoo. So how are you going? You are going by taking phenyl, bottle of phenyl. So you are taking phenyl and you are going to zoo, but you are going one by one. So phenyl, zoo, 1, and you can add that before going you visited a place where there was piranha fish or something like that. So phenyl pyrazolone, zoo 1. Okay, then when you gone to that zoo, you saw your friend Anil and Sunil. They were gliding or sliding. So what is that? Anil gliding is anilide. Sunil with taking a phone in a hand, he was gliding. So sulfonilide and anilide. Then finally you decided enough is enough. You took a dairy milk. So dairy milk, and you hit a cycle, means this is diaryl dairy milk, diaryl heterocycle. Hit hetero a cycle, diaryl heterocycle. So this way it is possible to remember classification of NSAIDs on the basis of chemistry.